if you're a woman, a girl, at some point you're going to be raped, and there's nothing you can do about it. I'm Naomi Samuriwo. I'm a registered nurse and midwife, trained in Malawi. And I just came out of Sudan, South Darfur in Nyala, where I was there for 7 months as a midwife activity manager. Like, it is very difficult for the women in Sudan. There are high levels of sexual violence. There was one case where like a 9-year-old was abducted like that and raped for 3 days. They just dumped her on the street, and the level of damage that they did to her, she had a lot of wounds, and I can imagine that like your whole life is scarred thinking about that traumatic event. If you're a woman, a girl, at some point you're going to be raped, and there's nothing you can do about it, even if you try and protect yourself. And if you're a boy, at some point you're going to be forced to join the army. So it is a very difficult place to live in. There are a lot of needs in Darfur because there is nothing. There is no electricity, there is no piped water. There is high levels of malnutrition among the pregnant mothers and lactating women and girls, and then the children also. There was one woman who was severely malnourished, and then she had very little babies. She had one 1-year-old, and then there was another one 3-year-old, and then she had a 1-week-old baby in her arms. And she could not provide enough milk because she didn't have enough support, enough food at home. It was not enough. I had this group of adolescents. So we would try to sing songs, educate each other on family planning, on good diet, on general body hygiene. And the time that they were in the clinic, they could manage to at least smile, to laugh. It brought comfort that at least there is something that we are doing. They look forward to coming to the clinic just to spend some time with the other adolescents or with the other women. The world should keep looking and keep talking about Sudan because they really need us. They're trying their level best to be strong,